Turn it up, shorty wildin' and shorty open, she beastin' it out. For the record, just a second, I'm freaking it out. Cause I'm watching trying to touch it, I was peeping it out. She turned around and was trying to put my dick in the mouth. I let her
Bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it.
I love it.
Ahí va Leo Messi, queda suelta. Luis Suárez al palo de Messi. ¡Gol! ¡Del Barcelona! Con el agua al cuello, el Barça acaba de marcar el segundo para
And who else but Lionel Messi to pull them right back into the qualification picture. Di Maria. Oh, Messi might be through again. It's Messi! This is what the great, great players do. They choose their moment and they deliver. Messi to accelerate, to look for the hat-trick. He is unbelievable. Lionel Messi saves Argentina. A hat-trick from the quite brilliant Lionel Messi.
Messi on the right.
It's a change between their two and Messi. Oh, here's a great chance for Messi. It's 1-1. That was more like the blasted in by Messi. It's Van Nistelrooy 2, Messi 2. Time for an equal on below. That's what Lionel Messi has in mind. Messi takes everybody on. Messi has got it. This is the game that is going to be remembered as the Lionel Messi match. 19 years of age, he gets a hat-trick. Not only is it a hat-trick, he scores for 10 in extra time. You can't write a sprint like this. And Lionel Messi goes down in the annals of greatness.
A lot of questions to Pep Guardiola yesterday about whether he had a plan, particularly for Messi. What have we seen already?
Back to Messi. Oh,